would hold our economy captive to Washington politics once again. Because when more of us vote, the less captive our politics will be to narrow interests, and the better our democracy will be for our children.
And whether you served in the Gulf to free a captive Kuwait, or fought in the streets of Mogadishu, or stopped an ethnic slaughter in the Balkans, you too are a part of an unbroken line of service stretching across 2 centuries.
And once again, the economy will be held captive unless they get their way. It's a plan that would force us to relive this crisis in just a few short months, holding our economy captive to Washington politics once again.
We're grateful for her commitment to bring deliverance to those held captive by injustice, to restore the sight of the ethically and morally blind, and to bind the wounds of those bruised by the sins of omission committed by good people who failed to act.
He lived out one of the most important mitzvahs, most important commandments in the Jewish tradition: to redeem a captive, to save a life. The belief that when a neighbor is suffering, we cannot stand idly by.
Our world, captive to immediacy, uncertainty, and complexity, is not moving toward less complicated problems, but rather toward more global challenges rooted in historic injustices and conflicts.